Welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on how to add a question to your Snap on Snapchat. Let's explore the steps to engage your friends and followers with interactive queries in your Snaps. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, capture a new snap by tapping the Capture button or selecting a photo or video from your phone's gallery. After you have your snap ready, locate the sticker icon on the right side of the screen and tap on it to access the sticker options. Next, find and tap the question icon among the sticker choices. This feature allows you to pose a question to your audience in a fun and interactive way. Now, type the question you want to ask in the text box provided. You can customize the appearance of the question sticker by adjusting the color, size, and position to make it visually appealing. Once you're satisfied with the question sticker's look, you can place it anywhere on your snap by tapping and dragging it to your desired location. To wrap up, you can now send your snap to your friends or add it to your story to spark conversations and gather responses from your followers. By following these steps, you can easily add a question to your snap on Snapchat, encouraging interaction and creating engaging content for your audience to enjoy. Thank you for watching, and happy snapping with questions on Snapchat.